The new Lunar update, the brand new Lunar update will be here soon. The Lunar Glow. Also guys, stop stealing my plants. Stop stealing my plants. Why are people stealing my plants? Do not steal. The Lunar Glow event will be soon in the game right here, and somebody has 25 billion. Yo, this guy is rich. Anyways, there will be new plants, brand new plants. There are gonna be mushrooms. I think there's gonna be like night only exclusive plants. That's gonna be night only exclusive plants, because I can see them glow in the night. They're gonna add some new. They're also gonna add some new plants, which I will be showcasing to you guys, so you can actually see the new plants. Look. Mushrooms. Mushroom kingdom. You can actually build yourself a mushroom kingdom. Also don't. I got a snail. Really? I got a snail. I really got a snail from the bug egg. The bug egg just gave me a snail. This guy is useless. I might just sell him. Do not steal my glowing cactus, okay? Do not steal it, guys. Why are people stealing? Like, I had so many lollipops right here, and everybody is stealing my plants. Stop stealing. Stop stealing the plants. Stop stealing the plants, okay, guys? Stop stealing the plants. They are even trying to rob my cotton candies. Do not steal cotton candy from me, okay? I'm working on a big project on auto farming this plant, and I might make a video about it, but there is a auto farming tactic, and also you can actually get the cotton blossom. You can actually get the cotton blossom if you join an old server. So if you join an old server of Grow Garden, you can actually find one. So you do have to like join a very old server of Grow Garden, and then you can actually buy the cotton blossom, which is going to be in the middle, right where the Easter event is at. So this is going to be the new update. There will be adding the new mushrooms, some new animals, new mushrooms, plants, and a new event, a nighttime event. It's gonna turn dark. It's gonna be turning dark in your village, and every garden is going to be dark, which is going to trigger another secret event, which is gonna be super cool. I'm very excited for this new update. It's gonna be tomorrow, and I'll be playing for sure. Guys, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more updates. Be sure to like and subscribe.